Not all narcissists look the same, but they all play the same game. Come here, let me tell you. Control. You want to know a narcissist? Well, I'm going to give you 5 types of narcissists and how they manipulate you. You don't want to miss this. Let's go there. Number 1, the grandiose narcissist. And I know a lot of you probably haven't heard of that and you're like, what is that? Well, let me explain. They dominate through ego and superiority, always making you feel small so that they can feel powerful. Number 2, the vulnerable narcissist. Have you heard that before? Well, now you know. Now, before I go on, let me rewind back a little bit. I am Coach Rose for life. As many of you that have been following me, you know exactly what I do here. And of course, you can only get the best. But of course, amongst us all, we always have the newbies. And of course, you guys are welcomed as well. So what I need you all to do right now is to hit the subscribe button. Follow me on all my social media platforms, including my YouTube, which is the most important. And of course, subscribe and hit follow now that you're seeing me. You can only get the best here. And to that, we're going to continue with number 2, the vulnerable narcissist. They act fragile and misunderstood, using pity and guilt to keep you emotionally hooked. Number 3, the malignant narcissist. And I know y'all probably saying right now that I never heard these kind of words before. They're probably new to your ears, but guess what? There's always a first time. Now you know. Let's go on. Strangely enough, the most dangerous set of narcissists are the malignant narcissists. They thrive on cruelty, fear, and punishment to break your spirit. Watch out for those type. Number 4, the communal narcissist. These type of narcissists, they appear kind, spiritual, generous, but it's all out of validation and admiration. Ooh. And last but not least, number 5, the covert narcissist. They are quiet, calculating, and manipulative. They use silence, guilt, and confusion as the weapon. In conclusion, different masks, the same mission, control and power. The moment you recognize the type, you take your power back. Make sure you subscribe.